What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you the importance of the cross washer onto the motorcycle. Stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today, like I said, I'm going to show you and explain why I think the importance of the cross washer is to the bike. You could do your own research. I've done my own research and I've worked on my cars, my bikes. So overall, let's get into it. So I have a new cross washer. This one is because I'm doing an oil change. If you want to see that video, I'll post it up right over here. I did an oil change, cleaned up my chain, so it'll be a quick glimpse. I've done other videos about oil changing, cleaning the chain. I'll post it up, like I said, right over here. If you want to see that, it goes through explaining the specs, what I use, the tools to use. So just watch those if you want to. But today I'm just going to talk about the importance of cross washers. So like I said, oil changing on my bike right now, and I took off the plug, and here's the cross washer I used last time. You can see it's already kind of crushed. I could probably use it one more time, but it's flat. You can see the new one, it's actually rounded, thick to it. It's kind of thin now. So guys, the importance of a cross washer on the bike. For first reason, it's because it will prevent leakage. And the second reason, the more important reason that I think of, is because when you put the bolt back onto the aluminum pan of the motorcycle, when you torque it down to spec, or if you don't use a spec and you just tighten by hand, over time the threads on the pan will strip out. And there's a video I posted up right here. My friend had that issue. I don't know if he had a cross washer or a regular washer on it, but it stripped out his pan. We had to do a pan swap. So he got a new pan. He installed it. I'll show you the video, but like I said, right up here. But yeah, so if you don't use a cross washer on your bike when it's already pretty much done, like I said, it's gonna mess up the threads on that pan, and you can end up changing out the whole pan depending on the make and model. It'll be easy or hard. On my bike, it's really easy. It's the R3. It's just bolt in the bottom. I can just take off one side of the fairings and easy. On my buddy's bike, you'll be able to see on the video, we need to take off the whole side of the fairings, his exhaust, and the pan came out. So it was just more of a hassle because literally I have to take out the fairings. The exhaust was coming underneath the pan, so I need to take that off. On the R3, I believe it's only on the one side. You can kind of maneuver it and just kind of slide it off. But yeah, guys. So those are still the two reasons I believe, and I think the meaning of the cross washer, that it prevents the leakage, and it'll pretty much prevent the threads of the bolts and the pan from stripping. So it'll last longer. You just need to buy new cross washers every probably third time you do the oil change, or second time I believe, depending on how tight you put these on. Like I said, if you use the specs 14 foot-pounds, I think you could push it to 3 times and it's gonna be completely flat. Like mine, I think I did it twice and it's somewhat flat, but I don't want to risk it. I don't want to mess up the bolts and everything. But yeah, guys, I've ordered 2 of these. One for now, one for like in the future. You can get them at your local Yamaha place or order them online, depending. If I can find them in the links in the bottom, I'll post them. But guys, another thing, the cross washer, if you read on Amazon, Best Buy, whoever, if you see washers that says cross washer and they're completely flat, that kind of neglects or I forgot the word, sorry. It's just, there's no reason to use it because it needs to be crushed by that bolt to seal. If that washer is already crushed, like a regular washer, what is it gonna do? It's just gonna give you a spacer. It's gonna pull the thread still. The crush washer is just gonna crush when you tighten it, and it's gonna be tight enough that it won't leak and tight enough to spec. The flat washer is just gonna be metal against metal, a spacer, and it's still gonna pull the threads if you tighten up too much. So yeah, you have to be safe when you get crush washers. I know people have used them a lot, the regular crushed flat washers, but I'd rather be OEM and spec that is actually rounded off, like this one. You somewhat see it's kind of rounded, better than being flat and messing up your bike. But yeah, guys, that's the reason I think the cross washer is important to be replaced when it's completely flat on your bike. Because if you don't, you're gonna end up like my friend, need to change the oil pan, and it's a hassle depending on the bike you have. So alright guys, that's my conclusion. Hopefully it explains my point of view and let me get back into working on the bike. So guys, if you like this video, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. It'll help a lot. Give it a like. It'll share out the videos to everybody. If you don't subscribe, it's fine. It'll help me to get at least to 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully I'm gonna push it for this year in 2021. But alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.